In this session, let's see how to inspect the web element on the Chrome. Let's go to some sites. Let's say actidime.com, and to inspect the element, we need to do right click on the element that need to be inspect, and it will open up the HTML document and highlight that particular element. Before looking at the detail of this particular element, look at the overall document. Over here you can see in this document, starting with doc type, we have HTML tag, that's the opening one, and over here is the closing. Everything in HTML, we have a head, body. If you expand the body, everything else in the body, and then we have different tag, header and div and a and li, so and so forth, and every tag is own meaning. To inspect the element, we right click on the element, and other way just click on inspector. Over here this arrow symbol is for inspector. You can click on this inspector and take the cursor on particular element that you want to inspect. For example, element try free, click on it. Particular node will highlighted. Let's look on this node. You can see element is getting highlighted. It has a tag. Inside opening tag we have bunch of attribute. One is href, this is the value. This is the class attribute, this is the value. That's the opening tag. Between opening and closing tag, this is the text. It's the game of all three things. One is the tag name, then attributes, then the text. You will not see text in all the cases, and you will not see attribute in all the cases. Means not in all nodes, but tag name always will be there.